Which one should I buy? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar. Recently, we've came out with two of the most relevant and intuitive products we've ever launched at Riccar. And people are asking us, the question is, should I buy the R65 or should I buy the R70? I'm gonna rephrase that question a little bit because I think everybody should have the R70. It's my favorite mop, it's an excellent mop, and everybody should have one. The real question you should be asking is, do I buy the R70 with the accessory pack that becomes a stick vacuum, or do you buy the R65? So here's my top 3 reasons why you should buy the R65. Number 1, grab and go cleaning. Just pull it off, go clean, put it back on the stand, it's charging again. You're ready to use it again. If you miss a spot, you just grab and go clean again. Number 2, we have an accessory that's a bare floor brush that is fantastic as a stick vacuum for bare floor cleaning. It's really, really good. And the third reason is you can get a second battery and have twice the runtime and have multiple batteries charging at the same time. Here's my top 3 reasons why I'd want to buy the R70 accessory package and turn it into a stick vacuum. The brush that comes with the accessory package is actually going to perform better on carpet. It's got more rows of brushes, it's designed for that, so it is a really good carpet-centric brush roll. We also have the pet grooming tool on here, which is really popular with this machine. In addition to that, you do get the flex hose, which allows us to get on top of things and work in areas that maybe a wand makes it a little bit awkward. So the real question is, which one of these do I want? And I'm gonna go back to what I'm blessed to say. I have both. And if you can, you should, because there are great reasons to have both of these machines in your home. I do, I love them, I use them both, and highly recommend the same. Happy vacuuming.